my gosh! Oh no, 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 no.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, buddy. Today we are playing Indigo Park again. Except it's part 2, so let's go.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right?
Yes.
Now you know all about my friends
That's fun.
and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
Excuse me, is that a bird? Wait. Is that like... Anyways, this is where we last left off, so I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna walk. Sprinting. Jump.
Hey, buddy, come over here. This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it. Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Yes, you do.
Oh, I got this! I know the commercial by heart!
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Grambly the Raccoon action figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
Okay. That was neat. And scary. I don't know what to do.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in!
Orange level access granted. Find the key to Jetstream Junction at Lloyd's main stage. I think that's what it said. Anyways, I don't know where to go, so I guess I'll just... Lloyd's main stage theater. Lloyd alive. Why does Ramley hate Lloyd? What does he hate Lloyd? Let's start. Let's keep... Oh, there's Ramley. Whoa. What was that? Lloyd?
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your Criticov is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Okay. Here goes nothing. Nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. No, I'm scared. No. I'm scared. I'm scared. Scary. Scary monkey. Hello? Oh my gosh! Oh no. Big no. What do I do now? I'm scared. Oh gosh. Oh, there's the key. Just use the key to unlock. Oh, great. I don't feel safe. I'm scared. I'm horrified. Run. He has a gun. Run. He has a gun. Run. Damn, run. Oh my god! Oh no! What the? Oh no! No! Oh god, no! Wait! Oh my lord! Wait, get it. What? Why? What was that? It's not the bird. I forgot her name. No. Let me out. No. Hell nah. I'm never going to do that again. Oh, what? Is that Big Ben? Scared. Rambly, I'm scared. Rambly Tuesday. Rambly. Oh my god, I'm scared. No.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Molly's races? Well, oh, that's her name, Molly. Alright, Molly. Molly's landing pad. I am not excited whatsoever. Do I use my critter cuff? Rambly, I wish you were here. I'm scared. Don't know what I'm doing. But I'm scared. I'm actually scared.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambly has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Alright. I'm scared. I'm nervous. No. Why does it have so many chips? Oh. Hey. This is nice. Really nice. Why is it all dark? I have to put it in the right order. Start. Molly. Molly. I'm literally taking off my headphones because I'm so scared. Molly? Molly? I'm nervous.
You want some?
No, thanks.
Good luck, Baker.
I'm eating a treat right now. Oh my god.
What?
I'm actually so scared.
Eh? It's okay.
So that was the circle.
What? What's it?
Yellow circle.
Little circle?
Uh-huh.
And what's it taste like now? Strawberry.
Angel, I'm playing a horror game right now.
Get the circle, the color circle. Okay, cut. Wait, you played that? Oh, we did that.
Uh-huh.
That last video, that game?
Yes.
That game
Even my baby brother knows my first video.
is
I'm scared.
you a bike? You on a bike?
Molly?
Is you me on bike? Where's this game go?
It's called Indigo Park.
You go to the bike. I don't play Roblox.
Triangle.
It's a luck.
Green's triangle. And blue is star. No. Why am I following? Green star, blue triangle. Green star, blue triangle. I think it's green star, blue triangle. What's it? Blue star. Blue triangle. I'm gonna go look again. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. I'm scared. So red star. Oh, red star. Red star. So red star. Green triangle. So red star, green triangle. Green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Blue star. Red star, green triangle. Blue star. Red star. Red star. Green triangle. Oh no. I'm scared. Molly, you up here? Molly? Alright, I'm going in. Family, please come back. I'm scared.
The one one.
Yes, I need another treat. I'm so scared.
Hey, what happened?
I'm scared.
What happened?
I'm scared.
You get down there.
Oh! No! No! Molly, get away! you see?
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of
What
amenities.
just happened that?
Okay.
What
I can see
happened
your
that
facial
guy?
tracking that you're scared, angry, upset.
What
Transparency
happened
is an
to
important
them?
part of our policy here
What
at
happened?
Indigo.
Rambley.
So
Oh,
I need to
Rib
be
is
honest
actually
about
honest.
something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up. Guests too. The mascots are. I just was so
What does
excited
happen?
to see
I'm
a visitor.
censoring
I wanted
that.
to be
I'm
sure you were given the
censoring
best
that.
experience possible.
That is
I was confined to
disgusting.
the entrance for so long. I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into.
Oh, Rambley, I feel bad.
Wasting all of your fun time.
Orange!
Angel, stop!
But
Just you.
I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
Just you, Owen.
You must have come here because
Adrian,
the
don't
park fed us
finish
to
it
you too,
all.
right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
No, we're scared.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this
Morning.
place
Why do I
back
have
in
my
business.
Oh.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler registered security room to set yourself free.
Oh.
Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers registered is a registered trademark. That expired.
Oh.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal
Bro, like,
Wranglers.
what are we gonna change
Maybe
by a
one day
bird?
you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
What? Okay. Oh, this is the office.
That's why he's getting fun.
And everyone's talking in the background. Well, R.I.P. Molly, because that was gruesome. That was very gruesome, but I don't know if we're gonna see Lloyd next.
Now she don't know. I think she said if I eat it, I'll get punished.
Bro. Oh my gosh.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
I think there's more collectibles like around them. Oh my gosh.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey! You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler!
Thank you. Okay, Rambley. Thank you.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface.
Are we gonna see? No. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Hey, buddy! You okay? You look kind of
That's
tired.
it?
Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before
I
you
heard
settle
this song.
down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
That was the game?
At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know
yeah, that's
what
the
we
best
might
game.
find. But fight through the dark,
Alright, guys.
and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambley Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime, I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Yeah, I hope I do. I'm excited for chapter 2. Thank you. Indigo is it's on a full passion project we've been working on for a little over a year now. The stories and world that we want to create with Rambley and his friends are very special to us, but the scale of the game, we're gonna need some help. If you want to experience with chapter 1, consider the socials. If you want to see chapter 2, bet! No matter what happens, we hope you enjoyed your stay. Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Manson, Rambley, and the dev team. Wow, that was the game. Well, everyone say RIP in the comments, but make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and comment on my video, please. But that was Indigo Park. Crazy ending. Bye, guys.
And his name is